This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing materials and a location. You need blocks, hoppers, a chest, and either a spawn egg for testing or a naturally dark area where mobs spawn. First, clear a platform and mark a central drop column. This defines where mobs will funnel. Once done, build walls at least 2 blocks high and roof the spawn area to maximize dark spawns. Make sure to leave access for you to test spawn rates and collect supplies while you build the rest. Now you focus on internal mechanics that force mobs to drop into the kill zone. Build stacked spawning floors with 2 to 3 block clearances so mobs can spawn and walk off edges. Use trapdoors or water channels to nudge them toward the central shaft. Once the funnel connects to the drop column, place a set of hoppers and a chest at the bottom. Make sure you add lighting toggles to stop spawning while you work, and plan an AFK spot, exactly 20. Finish by tuning the kill zone for efficient experience collection. If you want player XP, set the drop so mobs are low health for one-hit kills, otherwise build a crusher timed to preserve XP drops. Once done, AFK at your designated spot and monitor rates. If spawns are low, check for nearby lit caves, other mob farms, or an overloaded mob cap. If things go wrong, flip your emergency light switch, clear obstructions, and verify hopper connections and chunk loading before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.